Hello there, this is Anthony Johnson, and at the time of this recording, it is currently Christmas time. So, Merry Christmas to you and yours. Just wanted to stop by for a brief demo. So, what I have here is Dream Query. This is built by yours truly. I was seeing a issue within my current company in regards to the business, people needing certain documents and things of that nature. Just even looking at the spreadsheet alone, um, and not even involving SQL or anything of that magnitude. So I came up with this tool, which I think is pretty neat. So let's give it a little test run. So we're just gonna select some random data here. This is uh, business data, but it is trained to read any file, CSV, Excel, TSV, which is a text document. So while it's doing this thing, it's loading up here. As you can see, it's going across the bar. It should be instant. Connection sometimes is buggy, but once this is fully fleshed out, we will be up and running. Okay. I may have to upload another file. Let's give it a second though. Let's see what happens. Okay, nothing happened. So let's try that file again. Let's move this. I believe it's a placement thing. Let's place it right on the logo. There we go. So we place it on the logo and we immediately get the contents of our document. We have our schema over here. This tells us all of the columns. And also another neat feature that we have here is a fully loadable object canvas. So it's pretty neat. You can move things out the way, rearrange things. You have your interactive visualization here, and then you have your export option. So actually, we're going to close this up a little bit. Let's explore what we really came here to see, which is the query results, because that's typically what a business user or business owner will be seeking. They want to actually see what's in this document. Excel is cute. The other tools that's cute is, but I believe this has some good bones. Simple drag and drop. No additional clicking or any of that. We have our filters up here. We can filter, as you can see, fully fleshed out. This isn't a copy and paste, and no knock to anyone. Replit and Lovable and all of that. This was built through creativity. Essentially, I feel like this AI thing is going to be big for creatives. I honestly, um, I have a suite of tools that I've built similar to this that is in the business space that I'm definitely gonna package up and sell. So be on the lookout in 2026. Oh, I almost forgot the most important feature. So you click here, check this out. Check this out. We got our basic queries, got our aggregation queries, our filtering and conditionings, derived table subqueries, CTEs. So under the hood, it is SQL in here. I'm not going to tell you all my secrets, but as you can see, we have additional metadata information down here. Um, the actual file name, the columns, and the rows that we have in the actual document. So let's just run a simple query. Let's see, what do we want to run here? Let's just do a select from the table name is May 2025. You actually query your document as is, whatever your document name is. That is the actual table name. Select off from May 2025, where we'll just pick the first date up there, where date equals 2025 0530. Let's put a semicolon there. Let's see what we get back here. So as you can see, fully interactive. We can close this. Our data remains, our results set. We can analyze just this one record. And as I mentioned before, we can move this out the way. Uh-oh, slide in front of me. We can see based off of our results set, May 30th of 2025, our cost of goods, our accounts receivable, operating expense. Okay, let's actually export this as well. This is one of the key features based off of what I've experienced. Um, just send importable documents. So once this is slight delay, we should have a PDF file in our downloads here shortly. Okay, it's buffering as you can see up here. And the tool of my choice, I've grown accustomed to working with Claude. Opus 4.5 is amazing. Sonnet was amazing as well. It's pretty much just about your prompts. Oh, look at this. So our PDF did not go there. Let's run through it again. Okay. Let's just try the query results first. Let's just try one at a time. Okay, so you see we have our query results, which should be a snapshot of the PDF. Okay, I mean of the spreadsheet. Looks good to me. Looks very good to me. Okay, so we can move that out the way. Of course, we can always customize it, the PDFs. Let's see if our chart is gonna work. If our chart export doesn't work, we may have to have a part two. Oh, looky there. It just was slightly delayed. Okay, what do we have here? Beautiful. Our dream query report. Yeah, this is gorgeous. We can modify this, take the time off. But prototype wise, MVP wise, I think we're looking pretty good. Looking pretty good. We also probably add another feature. If the marketplace wants Dream Query as a tool. I was hesitant to share this with you guys because I mean, it's a grab and go. It's pretty much a go rush right now. You got an idea, you just pop it in, and it pretty much comes to life. So you guys can copy this, feel free. Like I mentioned before, I have a myriad of tools that will be going. They are B2B. I actually developed a B2C product as well, revolving around personal finance. That demo may actually be coming out next, because it's pretty cool what I did there. But I don't want to talk you guys' ears off. I want you to have a beautiful Christmas and a wonderful New Year. Thank you, and bye bye.